guys, welcome to our first math lesson. Let's see if I can get this working right. So our learning target for this week is that we can multiply a fraction by a whole number. So remember, we're going to go ahead and multiply. Fractions are those wonderful little things that are parts of a whole. Okay, and then our whole numbers. Something like that, okay? So we're going to try to multiply a fraction by a whole number. So this week, I'm going to give you guys 3 different strategies that you can work with in order to try to be able to solve a problem by Friday. Okay, so strategy number 1, you're going to make an array. So for those of you who have forgotten, arrays have the same number of items in each row and each column. Okay, so that's what we're going to do is we're going to work on making an array in order to be able to solve a problem where we multiply a fraction and a whole number. Okay, so today we're going to take 1/4 of 12. Okay, so remember when you're doing 1/4 of 12, the word of is always our symbol for multiplication. So we're going to say 1/4 of 12 is means equals. So we're actually doing 1/4 times 12, and we're trying to find the product. Okay, so to do the array, we need to know first what to do with our 12. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and come on over here, and I'm going to think. So we're going to go ahead and just take a little drop into my mind. Okay, so I'm thinking, wow, how many groups can I make? So we always look at the denominator. This will tell us the number of groups to make. Okay, so I need 4 groups. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of set up a box to put my array in, and I'm going to make 4 sections. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have to figure out, how do I put my 12 inside this box? So I can do a couple of things. I can go ahead and just pass them out one at a time. Or I can actually think 12 divided by 4 means 3 things go in each group. Okay? So this will give us what goes in each group. All right, so now we've got our array made and we have to figure out, well, how much is 1/4? We go ahead and just slide our paper here a little bit. So this would be 1/4, which is the same as having 3 things. So 1/4 of 12 is going to be 3. So from here, you guys will head into Zearn or Khan or Splash Math to go do a little practice. And don't forget, today's strategy was all about making an array in order to solve a whole number times a fraction.